This Chinese startup just shocked the whole world. OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, all those tech giants were in the race to dominate AI, but nobody saw this coming. A small team from China just dropped something that is sending shockwaves to the entire tech industry. Meet DeepSeek.
It became the most downloaded free app in the US on Apple's App Store.
$1 trillion were wiped off in a single day, all thanks to a Chinese AI company called DeepSeek.
An AI chatbot that has gotten more downloads than ChatGPT and is the reason for Nvidia's stock decreasing by 17%. This Chinese startup didn't just build another chatbot, but they built something that is outperforming one of the most advanced AI systems in the world. While everyone was focusing on Gemini and ChatGPT, they built something revolutionary. And today in this video, I will tell you what exactly DeepSeek is, why DeepSeek is so special, and why DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT. This video is about DeepSeek, an AI that shocked the entire tech industry. First of all, let us talk about what DeepSeek actually is. DeepSeek is a Chinese artificial intelligence company founded by Lian Wenfeng in 2023, which develops large language models. In 2015, Lian Wenfeng co-founded a quantitative hedge fund called Highflyer, in which he used to use AI to predict market trends. However, in 2021, Wenfeng begins to buying thousands of Nvidia chips for a side project named DeepSeek. And in 2023, DeepSeek's first model, DeepSeek Coder V1, was launched. Later on, they launched another models like DeepSeek V2, DeepSeek Coder V2, DeepSeek V3, and in January 2025, DeepSeek R1 model was launched, which is 90% better than ChatGPT. And the most interesting thing is they built this at a cost of $5.5 million, which is 1/10 of ChatGPT's total expenses. For coding, technical reasoning, and for solving difficult math problems, it is better than everyone else. Before we discuss about the speciality of DeepSeek, let's first of all use it. To use DeepSeek, you have to visit the website chat.deepseek.com. Create your own account and now you are ready to use DeepSeek. At first, I entered a prompt, build a snake game using JavaScript. And once I press enter, it starts to think. You can see that it's now thinking that what approach, what logic I should use to build a snake game in JavaScript. And it provides all the logical details that he has used to build a snake game using JavaScript. And then it will give you a code which you can run on your local system. But in the case of ChatGPT, it is different. Once I enter the prompt and press enter, it directly gives me the code. It didn't explain any logic behind it. It just gave me a simple code with comments and a proper structure. And that's the basic difference between ChatGPT and DeepSeek. DeepSeek actually thinks n number of times, it reveals its own answer and then gives a response. Next, I ask a simple question to DeepSeek, that is, what is reinforcement learning? Explain me in detail. And once I press enter, it will help you to understand everything in detail. And this is the best feature about DeepSeek. You can understand any concept, whether about math, science, or about machine learning. You just ask a simple question, it will give you everything in detail. These two examples explains that why DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT. DeepSeek actually shows you that what it is thinking. And that's great because if you want to understand the logic behind any coding problem or maths problem, it will help you a lot, which ChatGPT does not provide. So try different things, experiment a lot, and ask DeepSeek some random questions and let me know about it in the comments. Now let's move on to the next important part of this video, that learning techniques used to train ChatGPT and DeepSeek. This is little bit technical, but I will try to explain you in simple words, which will help you to understand that why DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT. Now there are different learning techniques used to train machine learning models. And now we will discuss about ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Now, first of all, let us talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is trained on supervised learning technique. In supervised learning technique, labeled data is used. Machine learning algorithm analyze that data, draw some conclusions, understand the patterns, and try to predict the answer. And that's how a supervised learning technique works. But DeepSeek is not trained on supervised learning technique. It is trained on reinforcement learning technique. Reinforcement learning technique consists of relationship between AI agent or AI model, environment, and reward. The agent which is trained on reinforcement learning technique, they actually learn on the trial and error basis. This means AI agent interact with the environment. and then environment provides some information on the current state. Then AI agent use this information to understand what actions to take. If that action obtain a reward, then AI agent is encouraged to take the same action in the future with improvisation. And this is how actually human learns. We learn by doing experiments on trial and error basis. We understand that what actions are giving us the reward, and then accordingly we take another action in the future and try to make it better. For example, remember the days when you want to learn how to ride a bicycle. You understand each and everything on trial and error basis, that how to maintain the speed, how to balance the bicycle. If I maintain the speed in between this range, then I can balance this bicycle. If not, then it will fall down. And this is how even the agents which are trained on reinforcement learning learns and thinks. And this is what makes DeepSeek unique. Now let us discuss that why one should use DeepSeek. First reason is DeepSeek is open source and free. We can download DeepSeek model on our computer, on our local system, and then we can use it. But on the other hand, ChatGPT's business model is proprietorship. We have to pay a subscription fee per month to use ChatGPT. And that's the best thing about DeepSeek, that it is open source and free. Next, another feature about DeepSeek is that easy prompting. You don't have to give detailed prompt like you have to give in ChatGPT. By just giving a simple prompts, you can get a desired output. Next important feature is API cost. You can use DeepSeek's API at a cost which is 27 times cheaper than ChatGPT's API. And lastly, the most important feature of DeepSeek is that it is good at logic, mathematics, and programming. So if you're a developer or a programmer, then DeepSeek is the best AI tool for you. Now let me tell you one important thing. That is a little bit of problem with DeepSeek. Now whatever the data you have entered on the DeepSeek's platform, that is stored in the People's Republic of China. It means that the data is stored in China. And you know that recently US banned TikTok for the same reason, and even India has banned all the Chinese app. Well, this was all about DeepSeek. I hope you found this video helpful. So like this video and share this video with your friends. Well, at last I just want to ask you one simple thing, and I want your perspective. Does India lack the right ecosystem for the startup innovations and tech that we are not able to build AI models like ChatGPT or DeepSeek? This question comes to my mind because China was able to build this model at minimum resources with a cost of just $6.6 million, which is 1/10 of ChatGPT's total expenses. So what do you think? Does India lack right ecosystem for technology and innovation, or they lack resources? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments.